A photograph represents more than just pictures, but a mode of telling a story in a most effective way. Tonight we feature the success story of Kian Sang Twin, a Google-registered 360-degree photographer who uses his skills to promote the beauty of Fiji to the world. Kelly Vadala reports.
Kian Sang Twin from Malaysia has always had a passion for photography and chose Fiji as an ideal destination to do his work.
This 360 photography I upload to Google Maps. So far I received more than close to 300 million views around the world. Mostly they're from United States, Australia and New Zealand.
Working at one of the top tech firms in the world has its challenges, but for Kian Twin, it's about being original.
You need to take at least 50, I would say, high resolution, clear picture. You need to upload to Google, and they will see from that and to approve you to actually become a Google authorized street view photographer.
His work is viewed by millions of people across the globe, and this helps promote Fiji's tourism industry at its best.
So people like to search before they travel. So they Google it, and from Google Maps they can see my 360-degree photography. So they can take a look around Fiji before they actually travel with it.
Kian Sang has always inspired many with his work.
People like to see Fiji. If they can travel, they will come here. When the border open, I will see there's a lot of them, they will come here.
A 360-degree photo is a controllable panoramic image that surrounds the original point from which the shot was taken. It can help a website generate a lot of interest, make good sales and boost engagement. Kelly Vadala, FBC News.